of students find it so difficult to calculate the magnitude of what? Of the point charges. The question says, a force of 500 Newton exists between two identical point charges by a distance of what? 40 centimeters. Calculate the magnitude of what? Of the point charge. It means that we are going to find the value of what charge? The Q. And therefore, the question says that between two identical, this is identical. Identical means charges are the same. So therefore, it might be positive, and therefore it might be negative and negative. So let's assume it is positive. All the charges are positive. You can insert it as what? As negative. But what? You can't be able to say Q1 and what? And Q2. But you have to just leave it as what? Q. So therefore, the distance between these charges, it is what? It is 40 centimeters. So therefore, the value of what? Of the net force, it is what? It is 500 Newton. So therefore, the relation that you are going to use to find the value of this Q, because they are identical, you can't say Q1 and Q2. So therefore, the value of it is equals to K into what? Q and Q divided by what? Divided by R square. So therefore, the F it is equals to K. Q multiplied by Q, which is what? Q squared divided by what? R squared. So therefore, if I cross multiply F multiplied by R square, it is equals to K into what? Q square. I just cross multiply F multiplied by R square, and it is equals to what? K multiplied by Q square. If I divide both sides by what? By the value of K. Because I'm looking for what? For Q. Only Q, not Q square. So therefore, divide both sides by K. K will cancel K. So therefore, the Q squared, it will be equals to F multiplied by R square divided by what? Divided by the value of K. So therefore, the value of what? Q square, it will be equals to F multiplied by R square divided by what? Divided by the value of K. So therefore, I'm looking for Q, not Q square. If I take the root of both sides, the square will cancel square. The value of Q, it is equals to what? F multiplied by R square divided by what? The value of K. So therefore, this is the relation that you are going to use in order to find what? In order to calculate the magnitude of what? Of these charges. So therefore, let's substitute. The value of Q, it is equals to the value of F, which is what? 500 Newtons multiplied by the value of R square. It is in 40 centimeters. So therefore, to convert it to meter, I will multiply by times 10 exponential of -2. It will become 0.40 what? Squared. And therefore, divide by what? Divide by the value of K. What is the value of K? The value of K, which is 9.0 times 10 exponential of what? 9. All in what? All in square root. So therefore, 500 Newton multiplied by 0.40 what? Squared. It will give me what? 80 divided by what? 9.0 times 10